topic I want to talk about is going to be exactly something from the book. They were talking about area, and they also talked about perfect squares. Huh? Yes. Because if you notice, when they went to the castle walls that were kind of covered up, the entrances that were covered up with the stones, one was a actual perfect square. And how do you discover a perfect square? You discover the perfect square by having when your length and your width are exactly the same. So I have some examples I want to show you in just a few moments. So I'm ready to switch my camera angle, and we're going to show you real quick. I'm going to try to make as many as I can because I actually have a large bucket of squares tonight. So I actually found them in my closet, so I got really excited about that. What we're going to do first right here is what they said in there was this right here. They were talking about the area. The area here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She said the amount of squares that it took to make the perimeter would be 9. Then all of a sudden, she counted the outside edges. And when she counted the outside edges, she ended up going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I counted that wrong. Let me count it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, still 9 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on this side. That's 18, 19, 20. So that means that our perimeter would be 20 and our area would be 9. Now, in this right here, this is technically another term for this is called an array. And in this array right here, guess what? This is a 1 by 9. Why? Because I have one row of 9. And because I have that one row of 9, that's still why we call it an area model. Okay? So I'll bring some of this back later on. The other one I did want to point out that was in there was this is more as a rectangle instead of a actual square. But still we're able to do the area model or the array with this right here. And what do we have here? 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what she was talking about in there. Instead of counting the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, instead of counting the full 12, you can count the length and the width, which is 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 is going to be 12. So that's all we're talking about here. When you talk about the area model, A equals length times width. On the other side, and I always say this, the opposite of area is the perimeter. Because in my mind, you can't have an area without a perimeter. You can't have a perimeter without an area. Why is that? Because guess what? Just like a picture frame, the outside of it is the perimeter, and the inside of it is your area. And I sing a little song, goes like this. The area, hey, hey, the area perimeter. All right? Area, hey, hey, the area perimeter. What are you talking about, Mr. Jones? Because the part here is the area, boom, boom, boom. The area, boom, boom, boom. Perimeter. The perimeter is on the outside. It's like a fence. Okay? The area is the inside area where you can stand. Okay? So think of a fenced-in patio, your back porch. If you want to put a screen in, that screen would be your actual perimeter. But where you sit your chairs and you sit your grill and everything, that would be your area. I'm just thinking about summertime.